Withdrawing money from your Yahoo Mail account after a review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Check for account review notifications. Once logged in, look for any notifications or messages regarding your account review. This information is crucial as it may contain specific instructions or requirements for withdrawal. Step 3. Navigate to the Payments section. In your Yahoo Mail account, find the section related to payments or money transfers. This may be labeled as payments, money, or something similar depending on the interface. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. Within the Payments section, look for the option to withdraw funds. Click on it and follow the prompts to initiate the withdrawal process. You may need to provide additional information such as your bank account details. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for assistance.